So it's that time. New York is so annoying. Like, so annoying every second of the day, bro. Every second of the day I get interrupted. So annoying. Anyways, the show must go on. Hi guys, my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So it is that time of the month, which is Battle of the Boxes. So I'll be unboxing the Boxycharm box as well as my Ipsy glam bag. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this month both subscriptions were bomb. They were bomb, okay? And of course, I came up with this look using the products that I got from this month. This look is actually inspired and suggested by Dianitza, which is one of my friends. Shout out to you, girl, because in my last video, she said she wants to see a light eyeshadow look with a light color lipstick, and I think this is pretty cool. Like, I think this is pretty cute. So this is why I, did this kind of look. So thank you, Dianitza, for suggesting a makeup look, and I hope you enjoy. And without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Okay guys, and as per usual, we're gonna start off with unboxing Boxycharm. So this month's theme is lucky, which makes sense because, St. Patty's Day and all. So the first thing in the box this month was the Beauty Cropped Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask, which looks like this. I already used one of these, and I actually like how it left my under eyes. I felt like it left it really hydrated, and I really appreciate that. I really do. This little pack only brings 3, pairs. So I only have 2 left in here, which, I'm excited to use because I really do like how it left my under eyes feeling. And this retails for $18. The next thing in the box is this. This is the, let me read it. This is the Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. You guys already know that I have chappy lips sometimes, so I'm always down for a lip oil. And I actually like how this one smells and how it feels on my lips. So the claims say goodbye to dry and thirsty and say hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Yes, that is the goal. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. I have the tint Rum Punch, and I'm actually grateful for this lip oil. I do have a lot already, but I'm always down for lip oils. And the lip oil retails for $20. The next thing in the box is this, and guys, this is the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. I was so excited to get this cream. One, I love Glow Recipe products, and this definitely did not disappoint. I loved how it left my skin. It just left it so hydrated. This retails for $39, and I'm so excited that I freaking received this in my Boxycharm. So excited. So excited! So excited! Okay, so the next thing in the box is this, and this is the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. I didn't use this palette, but I'll show you guys a picture of what the inside looks right here. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna put this in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and this retails for $38. And last but not least is this. This is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray, and this retails for $22. So basically, one of the claims is that it prevents smudging for up to 16 hours. I'm not going to test that out because it is about to be 9 o'clock in the night, so I'm not going to test that out, obviously, but I did use it and I really do like the sprayer. It's bomb.com. And that completes what I received for my Boxycharm box. So the total value of this month's Boxycharm box is $137. Honestly, this is like the first time in a long time where I feel like this month's Boxycharm was pretty good. Like, I liked 4 out of the 5 things that I got this month, which is pretty bomb. And I'm not gonna say that I don't like this eyeshadow palette. I just didn't use it, and I think I'm gonna put it in a giveaway, so I don't want to, you know, so I don't want to open it and stuff. But yeah. Okay guys, and we're gonna move right along to my Ipsy glam bag. And the first thing that I used was this, and this surprised me. I'm not even gonna lie. This is actually a collaboration with Bailey Sarian and the brand Estate Cosmetics, and it's what I used on my eyes today. And guys, I really do like this palette. I like the color story, even though it's not, you know, anything out of this world, but I actually do like the formula as well. And this actually retails for $30. Really excited that I got this palette because I am a Bailey Sarian fan. Like, I love her videos. So yeah, I'm glad that I got this. And of course, I'll show you guys a clip of me using it and how I got this look right here. However, I did use the Profusion glitter eyeliner to create, you know, the eyeliner on my crease and a little on my, you know, liner here. But moving on to the next thing in the bag, which is this OFRA blush in the shade Bellini, which looks like this. This is the perfect like peachy blush, which I have on my face right now. This is so pigmented, and this is actually the first OFRA blush that I've used, and I'm not disappointed. This was actually really good, and this actually retails for $29. So the next thing in the bag is this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. And, you know, it's nothing special. I like how it left my eyebrows, but, you know, it's alright. Last but not least is this. And guys, this is also one of my choices. I usually get the red one. I never tried the blue one, but guys, I love this. I really do. I really do. It works better when you have your pimple already like white, you know, you put one of these on top of it and you're good to go, because one, it's used to, you know, cover up your pimple, and two, it's also helping it at the same time. And I usually like it because whenever I have like a whitehead coming out, I just put that there, leave it on for a couple hours, take it off, and it actually saves me from popping my own pimples, because I'm the worst pimple popper ever. Like, I really am. So this actually saves me, and I love this thing. This retails for $17.99. So for my Ipsy bag, I know that I'm missing one item, which is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation. It just never came in my bag. I don't have it. So yeah, I'm missing that. But other than that, that completes what I received in my Ipsy Glam bag. So the total value of this month's Ipsy Glam bag is $96.99. I didn't include the Kosas Tinted Moisturizer Foundation because I didn't receive it. But yeah, that is the total for this month. So now to talk about what subscription box did better. Honestly, it's really hard this month because I really enjoyed almost all the products that I received this month. So I don't know. I really don't know. If I had to choose, I don't know. I really don't know, because Boxycharm, I like 4 out of the 5 products that I received. And it's not that I don't like this, because I didn't even use it, but I just feel like I have a lot of, you know, the colors that is in this palette. So that's why I didn't use it. But everything else I really liked. And this was probably the highlight of my Boxycharm this month. I don't know. And then for Ipsy, I really do like this blush. I love that I got this. Like, come on, I love that. And this palette, guys, like, and then the Anastasia, you know, brow thing. It's just, and I also like that Boxycharm included this, which is the Avocado eye mask. So I'm just like, I don't know which one to choose, but I don't know which one to choose. But let me know what you guys think, which box did better. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. And don't forget to comment down below on what looks you want to see, what videos you want to see. And in return, you guys will get a shout out in my video. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.